Hi, if you want to know how to cut text or slice words in half, then you're in the right place. It's really simple. Draw our text. Let's go slice. I will make that a little bit bigger. That's really slow. That'll do. We'll drag that into the middle. We'll make it look a little bit better. Let's go with an orange, and we'll create an outline with this stroke effect. Now to slice it in half, we need to rasterize, and we're going to use the select tools, and then let's just rasterize all of that so it's one layer, and then we're going to lay out via cut. So what that's going to do is it's going to take the selection, cut it from its original layer and paste it on a brand new layer, so we've got just that half. And then all you do is Control and T, you can transform it, you can move it around, reposition it how you want, and that's how you slice your text. Now once you know how to do that, you can do something a little bit more fun. So take for example this picture of an orange. Whoa, PNG can't pass it, okay. I should have thought this through a little bit more. We'll try saving that. Yeah, that one works. Right, you can take something like this, and we'll go with just a lasso tool. We'll chop the top off, go around to the start of the selection, rasterize that, lay it via cut, go back to this original one, like that, back to the original, the start of the selection, lay it via cut, and now we've got three parts of our orange. So what we can do now is we can use the move tool, make sure you've got auto select enabled, and we can just drag it like that. Now if we go with the ellipse tool, we'll make a layer underneath there, start there, finish there, and then we get to transform that. We want to stretch it, make it fill that gap like that. That'll do. And we want under here, we're going to do the same thing, there to there. Using the transform tool, we can get that to fit properly. Yeah, that looks about right. And then we can change the colour of this as well. So we'll get rid of the stroke because we don't need an outline on either of them. And then we can fill that colour with something. Let's go with that. And this one, let's go with it like a green. That'll do. Like that. So you can start cutting through fruit and stuff. What else can we do to this? I'm just getting a little bit carried away now. The lesson's been learned, and I'm just winging it now. We'll rasterize that. We'll rasterize that. Go back to this. What can we do in here? Probably add a shadow. So we'll make a new layer. Soft brush. Yeah. Like that. We'll do the same thing on here. New layer. Like that. So once you know how to do the basic, you can sort of do whatever you want with it. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, press the like button, subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye.